Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing what matters most. Developer options enabled and the Brevent APK installed. Make sure ADB is on your PC. Connect the phone with a good USB cable and approve the computer when the device asks. Once done, open a terminal on your computer and verify ADB sees the device with a DB devices. If you see the serial, proceed. If not, reconnect, reauthorize, or toggle USB mode until the device appears and you can run commands. You now install and grant permissions manually. Use a DB install R Brevent. Apt to replace or install the app, then grant runtime permissions via a DB shell PM grant package name Android. Permission, package usage stats, and any other required grants. Next, start the app by issuing a DB shell mstart package name / main activity. This boots Brevent so it can obtain usage data and root or a DB privileges as needed. Make sure commands return success, and watch for you finish by activating the daemon. Run the bundled Brevent. SH or the appropriate Brevent command via a DB shell to start blocking. Once active, open the app and confirm protected apps are listed and statuses update. If services fail to run, reboot the device and rerun the start command. If problems persist, capture logcat output to identify permission or SE Linux denials. One key troubleshooting tip: regrant package usage stats and related permissions after a reboot, because missing grants are the most common cause of failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.